Linking your bank account to Koalafi is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Koalafi account. Visit the Koalafi website or open the app. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. If you are new, create an account by providing the required information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in a menu or profile icon. Click on it to access various account management options. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is entered accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Koalafi and enjoy seamless financial management.